So my name is Peter Ross. I'm the MD of CP Cases. We design and manufacture ruggedised product to protect delicate, sensitive, valuable things that travel around the world. One of our issues is how to understand the customer's requirement, which is normally a physical object at a long distance. So we can produce something, and when it gets there, it's a perfect fit.
So the Digital Catalyst program finds and selects a Digital Catalyst student best suited for a problem set within a company. So our Digital Catalyst was Omar Hussain. It really brings to the SME fresh eyes.
And I was aware of technologies and techniques that would definitely benefit their workflow.
When we first met Omar, his inquisitive nature was a good sign to us that we were going to get the best solution to our problem set. So we met with Omar and we took him through our business, how it works, and the workflows that we thought there were potential for improving.
I had to think about how to implement these digital solutions in a company where they have an established workflow. So I had to make sure that I presented my ideas in a way that really slotted in nicely. Something that's really interesting about CP Cases is a lot of their products, or basically all of them, are bespoke. So they have a quite unique challenge as a company. Something in particular that I worked on were the foam inserts that they use inside their cases. It's a very complex challenge designing a foam insert for a bespoke product each time.
If we can do things better, if we can do things faster, if we can do things more efficiently, if we can capture better data at the very outset, all those things benefit the customer in the long run.
So the Digital Catalyst program led us to invest in targeted new technology, and that's enabled us to use our product information in new ways that we weren't able to before.
Being a digital catalyst has really kick-started my professional career, and I'd 100% recommend it to graduates and British companies who are looking for some innovation.
So the Digital Catalyst program has enabled us to be more aware of a wider set of technologies, which has improved our business offering, and we've got there much sooner than if we'd been doing it by ourselves.